If you ever cut an onion, you know that out of nowhere your eye starts burning, then watering, and then basically you are crying. So what's going on here? Why do onions make you cry? It turns out that onions are kind of chemical weapons. Inside every onion there are tiny compartments. Think of them like sealed bottles. Each of them hold different chemicals, and as long as onion is intact, those chemicals stay separated. Nothing happens. But the moment you cut into it, you break those compartments. Now the chemicals mix and triggers a reaction. One of the chemicals gets turned into gas, a very specific one. It's called black something factor. I will write this. So those gas quickly rise in the air and reaches your eyes. Now your eyes has a job to protect themselves. When this gas reaches the surface of your eye, it reacts to the moisture and it forms a very mild acid, just enough to irritate your eye. Your body instantly detects this and it reacts in the fastest way it knows, flooding your eyes with tears. Those tears are trying to wash it away. So you are crying not because you are emotional, but because your body tries to defend itself. But here's something interesting. Not all onions make you cry the same way. Some onions are stronger, some are milder. It depends on the things like how they were grown, how fresh they are, and even how you cut them. For example, a sharp knife actually helps because by cutting with a sharp knife, you're damaging less cells, and less damaged cells, less gas, less tears. Chilling the onion also can help because cold slows down the chemical reactions and less gas is produced. And if you heard the trick cutting onion underwater, it kind of works too, because underwater gas dissolves into water before it reaches your eyes. So the next time you will start crying while chopping the onions, remember, it's not you, it's chemistry. And have you ever wondered why the glass is transparent when it's made from sand? Here's a video that explains that. It's a good video.